Okay, so I gotta go get some more of these doohickeys here. That fits on that, but as you remember, it only had like 2 of them. I'm gonna get all 6 on there, which means I gotta have 2 more. There's a nylon little caper in the end of it, which makes it difficult for figuring out which one it is, but yeah, I'm gonna go get. Hey, it's Charlie. This might be the last day for this. I mean, I might be able to finish it today. I doubt it, but I'm going to try. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so the next step is, yeah, it only had one of these nuts on this on one side. It was one on that one and one on the other, but there's one down here where nothing goes, and that one in there with nothing on it, right? So anyway, I had to replace. I got some more of them. See, this is what was on there, and of course you'll never find as good as what came off of it. It just won't work. So anyway, this is metric. Everything on this thing is metric. Yeah, I got to look at that one-eyed monster right here. Everything is metric. Everything is metric on this. Metric threaded. You get M8s, M7s, and 10s, and 15s, M's, and then 1.25s and whatevers. So anyway, I needed 4 of these M8 1.25. Well, that's what I got. M8 125s, mate. M8 1.25. Anyway, this is what goes on these, and they don't have a shoulder on them. See that? These don't have a shoulder. There's no shoulder, but this one has a shoulder on it. See the rim on it, that shoulder. So I had to get some washers while I was at it. Oh, look at that one washer. It's kind of, somebody said whatever, and whatever. Okay, so these are washers too, because those don't have shoulders. Anyway, here you go. Now we get to figure out how to pry these bolts out of here. Oh, gotta look at the one-eyed monster. Yep, we gotta pry these bolts out. Let's go, pry these bolts. Come on, Charlie, pry the bolts out. Okay, so we're going to use this to get these giant bolts. The good part is these here, this lug nut wrench fits good on these impact wrenches nicely. Here we go. There we go, that's part way off. I can't get to that one. Here. I can't like that though. Ouch, that's my finger. Don't hurt yourself. Otherwise you'll end up in the hospital. You don't want to go there. That's not a fun place right now. Then we'll use this once we get it spun loose. Spin it off with this. This thing works great, man. Holy cow, this thing works great. Plug it in. Plug it in, Charlie. Whoops. There we go, there's one. Watch it, that thing will bite you. Wow. That's a monster. Afraid of it, another one. Watch it, this one's tighter. Monster, look out, this thing will bite you. I don't like that. I need to do something else with that one. That one don't work too well. I think I should do it. Ratchet on this one. Find it. Hey, where's the stinking ratchet at? Here, let me go get these other ones ratcheted off before I get too crazy here. What a monster. Oh, hey. Good gosh. Watch it, Charlie. That thing's a monster. Hey. That thing's a monster. Oh, hey. Now you be on the other side so you put your body weight against this dang thing, man. Don't play around with it. It's a monster, it'll hurt you. If you aren't careful. Careful. Somehow I did all that without hurting myself. That's awesome. Just that one. That's a tough one right there. I don't know how you're going to get that off. I don't know where the ratchet is. A freaking ratchet. It's got some adapters that I need in it. Well, actually, no. May not need to. I think I might be able to do it with a whatever that is. Oh, there's that, but that's not a ratchet. That's something else. Oh, I found my adapters. Oh my word. That should make things easier. Alright, we got some big adapters here for 3/8 if I can get them off this thing. Golly, what the freaking world do you do to get this off? I need that one. Oh no, oh no, I freaking... The freaking world do I... Oh man. Dang it. Okay. Be careful. Oh. Whoa. Alright. That's good. Yeah, buddy. Alright, here we go. Hey, that's the wrong size. What are you doing? Hey, there we go. Don't hit your finger, Charlie. That'll hurt. Yay! She's loose. Yay, it's loose. Yay, it's loose. Woo! Party. Alright. it's loose. Okay. Next we gotta take that hook off the end of it. Oh, how am I gonna do that? Oh, there's a bolt on it, so that's something else to take apart. The hook. I gotta pull the hook off. There's a bolt right underneath it on the back side. Under here, see that bolt head? You gotta pull that out. Oh, there's another bolt right there for this hook. Okay, gotta pull that off.